Ayan, pahinga muna kayo. And again, 안녕하세요. Another round of applause for YG as a movie! Parang hindi na kayo marinig. Wow! Nice to meet you, ladies. I'm Sai.
And I'm Ivan.
Yeah, so may mga konting questions na ako sa inyo. Is it okay? Yeah, so question now, how was it performing here in SM among your fans and of course with our other friends?
Yun na po ulit kami nakapag-perform in public again. Kaya sobrang kami sa mga wigo na dumadalo pa rin. Kaya hindi wigo. Sa mga taong hindi wigo, we are YGIG. Please support us.
Yes! Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. Here that I really
Happy birthday!
What is the reason?
Alam naman po namin special kung gano'n ka-sweet ang Hindi naman po, talaga pong ginayo po namin
And of course, guys, dahil nasa K-pop event tayo, hindi naman namin kayo mapababain kung hindi namin kilala ang inyong favorite K-pop groups or mga biases sa K-pop. So, let's start with, yes, sino ang iyong bias sa K-pop?
Hello, yes. Actually, more on ano po ako, boy group. I started at Babies, BEP. Hindi ko alam kung sila na kung
Yes po. 118! 18!